What's up, everybody? I am gonna be trying this recipe for the first time ever. So I'll be making grilled eggplant with mozzarella and tomato, basil, and purple onion. So let's get into it. I'm slicing up my eggplant into the shape that I want to grill it with. So that's what I'm doing right here, making sure when I cut it, it's gonna be equal. So we're gonna get into that. We're gonna slice up our eggplant. Let me know if anybody else eat eggplant and what are some of the recipes you have tried with eggplant. I'm very interested in knowing, because this was my first time doing this and it turned out good, but I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna be like something I do again, but I definitely will try anything once. So let's see how it turns out. So I'm gonna season these with some olive oil and some seasoned blend that I made. I'm gonna rub that in, and I'm definitely gonna put olive oil and the seasoning on both sides. So I'm gonna put it on and I'm rubbing it in, and then it's gonna go on my grill. And I'm using an indoor grill. So they're on my grill. It's starting to, I did like 2 to 3 minutes on both sides grilling them. Once I grill them on both sides, then I'm gonna top them with my mozzarella cheese, my tomato, my purple onion, and my basil. I realized when I finished making this that I was not a fan of the basil. I ended up taking off the basil and was like, let me just eat it like this, because I'm just not a fan. But the mozzarella and the eggplant with the tomato, everything else turned out deliciously. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.